it's me again, Irene. Welcome to another episode of our educational blog. For today's video, this is all about how to access activities in the Hour of Code website. Basically, this is about creating a class or a section in the Hour of Code website. Disclaimer, I am not expert in this activity, but I just wanna share it to my colleagues in the training. What I've learned from the lecture from Professor Andrew Galimit. Mega love shout out to you, Sir Andrew, and to his wifey, our EPS in our fund, Ma'am Florence Galimit. Mega love shout out to both of you. So, ma'am and sir, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing you are going to do is to go to your Google Chrome. Then type code.org. Enter. And this will flash into your screen. Then proceed to sign in. So in signing in, you could either continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Microsoft. So you can choose among the three. If you wanted to continue with Facebook, it will automatically connect you if your Facebook account is connected into this device. So for me, I just continue with Google. So this is what I'm going to click. Then this will appear, my Google account. I am going to click this. And there is already Irene. If you have signed in, your name will flash. So I already have an account. You can already have the access in this website, my dashboard, course catalog, projects, and professional learnings. So then you will be creating your section. So here, click create section. Okay, so in creating section, this will come out. How do you want your students to sign in? So Google Classroom, picture password, secret words, or personal logins. So if you wanted to use secret words, recommended for ages 9 to 12. Since I am teaching in grade 5, so these secret words is good for my students or pupils. You will create accounts for your students. Students will log in with secret pair of words. So we will click this one. And you have this. This will come out. This will flash into your screen. Section name. Enter a name of your section that will help you remember which classroom it is for. Your students will also be able to see this name. So for example, we will put have a dahlia. Name of a flower, dahlia. Then the grade is grade 5. Then course. Assign a course so that your students go directly to the right course after signing in. Don't know which course to teach? Find a course from the courses page to assign a course to your section later. Select a course. So we will click this one. We have here lots of choices. Decide later. Full courses, computer science discoveries, computer science principles. CS fundamentals, we have course A, B, C, D, E, and F. Express course, then pre-reader express. AI or /ML, AI machine learning module, Hour of Code. Dance party, keep on dancing 2019, ocean, Minecraft voyage, aquatic, Minecraft heroes journey, Minecraft Hour of Code, Minecraft code of designer. So I think we will choose this one. Because I have tried Minecraft Voyage Aquatic, my students or pupils said that it is just very easy. So, we will try this one. Allow your students to pair program. When pair programming is turned on, students can choose to work with a classmate at the same computer. Turn this setting on if you want your students to be able to work together while sharing progress. So you can write you can click this yes or no. So if you wanted to have a pair your students can work in pair, so just click it yes. Lock this section. If you set yes, students will not be able to join this section using a section code. You can still add students to the section manually on the Manage Students Lab. So we'll just let it know. Then save. So these are now this is the newly created section. We have Dahlia, grade 5. Minecraft Designer is the course, then students, then this one. The login info and the settings here. So maybe you can see that there are already lots of sections that I've been created because I already have tried this with my students. I have an online students. Some are from other places. So we will just do it online and we will communicate it online. So I will show you how you are going to add your students. So here you click add students. So this is now the appearance. You have here Dahlia. Then assign to Minecraft Designer. Multiple add students, move students, print login, download parent letter. So here we go here. Student's name. For example, we have here Diana. Age of Diana is 12. Female. Add. Okay, so you have here success. You added one student to your section. Then we will add another student. For example, Mary Rose. Mary Rose is 11 years old. She is also a female. Then let's add. Okay, successfully added. Mary Rose is successfully added. Then another student we have here. Alros Carl. Alros Carl is also 11 years old. Male. Add. Let's add one more student. Herb Nino. I do not have any. Herb Nino is 10 years old. Then he's a male. Then add. So you have added 4 students in your section Dahlia assigned to Minecraft Designer. Then to show their secret words, we will just simply click this one. That is their secret words. Solution must for Alros. Then sleep alone for Diana Grace. For Herb Nino, life plans. For Mary Rose, sing sentence. Those secret words, you can also reset that one if you wanted to reset. But if you don't want, just let it be. So you have already set up your class. Get your class set up with secret words accounts. So what you're going to do the following. Add each of your students in the table above. Print login cards that show each student's name and secret word. Share this to your students. So that is why you are going to print that. So if you have students online, so you just copy in their login cards, then send them into their messenger, or download a CSV of students login information. So you can do a mail merge or easily copy and paste the students' username and password into emails. Then share our privacy letter with parents to introduce them to code.org and allow them to review our policies on students' privacy. Have your students allow the instruction below to sign in. So signing in with secret passwords, how your students can log in into the activities. So you are going to share this link to your students. So for example, I'm going to log in as a student. So I'm going to create a new tab here. I am going to copy this link. I'm going to copy that link and paste it. So now I am already acting as a student. Then I am going to click that one. So it is me now. acting as a student. So what will flash out in your screen? Welcome to Dahlia. Choose your name to log in. For example, I am Diana. I am going to click Diana. Then enter the secret words of Diana is sleep, space, alone. Then I have a partner at my computer, no, sign in. Okay, so this will flash into your screen, Minecraft Hour of Code Designer. Program animals and other Minecraft creatures in your own version of Minecraft so that the pupils or the students can try the activities. Just click try now. As you can see here, it is already Diana who will be playing. Minecraft Hour of Code introduction. So you still have to listen to the introduction.
Hi,
because this is also a part of the task.
In the next hour, you'll make your own Minecraft game. This looks like Minecraft, but the world has stopped. The sheep aren't moving, the chickens are laying eggs, and zombies are just standing still. It's up to you to add the code to make the Minecraft world work.
My name is Melissa Boone, and I'm a user researcher at Minecraft.
So we will just wait for a little while. I will just move it forward.
The space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we'll build our program.
So here, this is only the introduction and the instruction on what you are going to do for the activity about the Minecraft.
Let's drag the move forward command to the workspace. When I hit run, the chicken moves forward one step. To go further, I'll drag another move forward block underneath the first move forward block until the highlight appears.
Okay, so we'll stop that one. Let's go back. Okay, so these are now the status here. If Diana have completed a task in that this will be yellow. This will be yellow. Then if other 2 tasks is completed, okay, until 12 tasks. Then the level status here, not started, in progress, completed. So now if you wanted to go back as a teacher, try to find out their accomplishment. So let's go back as a teacher. So since Diana is not doing the task, not completed the task, I will show you a saved task from my students. I'm going to show you the task of my online class students. So we're going to click this one, and here, view progress. Let us try to see the progress of my students. So here, I have 5 students. These are their progress. Alros Carl is performing, Herminio and Rose Clarimat, and the 2 do not have any progress. Let's try to click. So those with green are the tasks that is being completed, and there are also tasks that they were not able to perform. And the 2 students are not doing any task. So you are viewing as a teacher. You are now viewing the progress of your students. If you wanted to generate a certificate for your students who have completed a task, here, section, click that one, then print certificates. Then these are now the certificates, and you can type in the names of the students who have completed up to 30 names, 1 per line. Okay, so this is now the sample certificate. These are now the sample certificate of your student. So you can either print all, or you just simply save it and send them online if you have an online student. So that ends my video presentation today. Hope that you learned something from it, and please don't forget to share it to your friends, and if you have questions, you may write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. So that ends our video today. And please don't forget to like, share it to your friends, and subscribe. And please do hit the notification bell for more updates whenever I will post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!